Hey, this is Tim. Today we got an 09 Tahoe Z71. We're on a lot of Tahoes here lately. This one we're doing an oil sending unit. Take your PCB lines off. Let me show you here. Take a line off there from the back of the valve cover off of this one. Take your fuel line off. And then I take a little Dremel, my little Dremel down here, and I've just cut just a little bit on this plastic back here. It's really doing nothing but covering up this hose. It's no big deal. Just cut that so you got plenty of room. And then the oil pressure sending unit is down here. Get your oil sending unit socket. Get your oil sending unit socket. And sorry about that. It takes a minute to get the light set up. And just take your oil sending unit socket. Just undo it like that until you get about. You can do it with your fingers. Get you a little swivel like I got. Take it off. Okay, twist it with your hand here. This ain't no good place for the light back here, hardly. Try as I may, try as I might. Alright, then you just undo it with your hands. And pull it right out. And of course reverse the process to go back in. Got the new one over here. This one don't work at all. But like I said, just take it a little. I mean, you can fight it if you want to fight it. I just didn't want to fight it. If you just take a Dremel and just go right straight line down there, it's not hurting anything. I mean, that's just covering up this booster hose. It ain't no big deal. And just cut you a straight line right through it. Take out the fuel line, this PCB, and take off your other little plastic PCB line right here, your evap line, I'm sorry, right here on the side, and just kind of slide it over the way. It's got a little white clip on it. It's not a big deal. And then just reverse the process. Make sure before you try to take the sending unit out, you undo the gray clip, so safety clip on there. Some of them had red safety clips. This one has a gray one. So make sure you pop the gray one up or off before you try to push in the end of the connector, because it will not come off until you do that. Okay, and that's about it. And then I'll show you here in a minute when it's back. Yeah, it came with this oil pressure sensor, high voltage. So anytime you get like a PO523, put you a new sensor in there. This one's working just fine. Go ahead and erase the codes. Yep, working good. Always check it for leaks and everything when you're done. Put everything back together. Make sure you put your line back together down here. That one. Make sure you put that one back together. Put the fuel line back on. Make sure it doesn't leak. Like I said, once you just cut that, just like a little small little slice down there. It just takes you about 10 minutes to do it. Well, that's it on this one. Got more to come.